Hi everyone, you're watching Shortcut to Shortcut. In this video, we'll take a look at some interesting tips on slicing videos in Shortcut. As you can see on my screen right now, we have multiple layers of tracks going on. We have the video track, which is just my recorded video as the topmost layer. We have the screen recording and the background, and then we have the audio that's been synced along with the video. If you play this, it just basically plays all of these three tracks together, and that's the video you eventually see. What if you want to edit the video? So let's say if I want to cut the video at this particular point. So if I press the button S, or if I click this button here to split the video at the playhead, then of course I can move these around, which is great. But then if I have multiple tracks, now I would have to do that for every track manually. Now imagine doing that multiple times if you have to split sections of your video. Now don't worry, now there is an easier way to do that. What you can do instead is select all the tracks that you want to split, and assuming that this is where you want to split it, you select all of them and then either click this button or press the shortcut key S, and what it will do is it will split all of them in a single move. So now you don't have to click them individually and then click on split. You can select all the tracks and then click the button to split it in a single go. You can also click on multiple tracks and move them together. Now this is useful if you're trying to combine the clips from different edits and join them together, and also sync multiple tracks. So you'd want to make your life easier and move them together. Now let's say if by mistake I split the video and then I delete a section of the track, and now I've realized it too late and now I don't know how to recover it. Well, don't worry. All you'll have to do is click on that particular track and then extend this, and what you'll see is that the track regenerates itself. It has already preserved what the original track was, and even if you delete a section of the track, you can always click on it and then regenerate it, and you'll have your track, whether it be audio track or the video track, you'd have all of it again in your editing video. Alright, so that was a quick video on slicing your tracks, whether it is audio or video tracks in Shortcut, and also how to recover from a mistake and regenerate a particular track in Shortcut. So hope you liked the video. If you do, give it a thumbs up, and of course comment down below and share it with your network. And don't forget to please subscribe to this YouTube channel. That's all for this video. I'll see you in another video. So bye for now.